Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.4 on VMware Workstation. Open browser, then go to redhat.com. Then click on Developers, then click on Products. See here we have the Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux AI and image mode for Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Okay, so first click on the first one, that is Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Now click on download or sign up. See here, if you scroll down, see here we have the RHEL 9.4. Also we have 8.10. This is the beta version. See here we have 8.9, 8.8 and older versions like 9.0, 9, 8.6 and 7.9. All versions can be downloaded, but our purpose is to download the 9.4. Okay, so click on down. See, we have to download the DVD ISO. So click on download. Its size is 10.32 gigabytes. Click on download. See here we have to log into your Red Hat account. That is the email that you have registered. Or click on register and provide the details. So click on register if you don't have the Red Hat account. Here we have to give the username, password, then first name, last name, and email address, phone number, etc. Okay, so once we provide all details, we have to select I have read and agree to all terms and conditions. Then we have to click on create my account. Once we click on create my account, we will receive activation email. So activation email to registered email. Okay, after that we have to come back to here. Then we have to provide the mail ID and password. Then you have to log in. It automatically starts the download. See, download has been started, and here you go to download history. See, download has been started and its size is 10.3 gigabytes. Takes approx 1 hour based on your internet speed. Okay, I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded RHEL 9.4 DVD ISO. In your case, wait until download completes. I'm cancelling. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. VMware Workstation has two flavors, Pro and VMware Workstation Player. VMware Workstation Player is free to use. VMware Pro is not for free. Okay, so but the installation process of VMware Workstation Pro or VMware Workstation Player is same. If you want to install VMware Workstation Player on your machine, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. VMware. See, I have both the versions, VMware Workstation Player and VMware Workstation Pro. Let me open both. Once we see, these are the list of the virtual machines installed on VMware Workstation Player. And these are the virtual machines installed on VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, but the process is same. Here we have to click on create a new virtual machine. In the VMware Player also same. Create a new virtual machine. Both are same. Okay. Click on create a new virtual machine. Then select the downloaded ISO file. Browse. Select it. Click on open. Click on next. Here provide the full name. I am giving administrator. Click on next, provide the name RHEL 94 VM. Then choose the, see, this is the virtual machine name, not the host name. Okay, so provide the location to store the virtual machine files and folders. Click on browse, choose the path where you have the enough space. Create a new folder here, RHEL 94 VM, and hit enter. Then click on OK. See, new folder has been selected. Then click on next. Then here we have to provide the size for disk, that is virtual hard disk. So I am giving 100 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the summary of the virtual machine. If you want to modify any one of them, you have to click on customize hardware, because okay, so now I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. It has selected default as 2 gigabytes. Okay, click on customize hardware, then use the pointer to pointer up or give the value here. I'm giving. Then click on, or even if you want to modify any one of them, you can modify, or if you want to add any hardware types, you can. At present I don't want, so click on cancel. Click on, I just only changed memory, so click on close. See, memory has been changed. See, here we have the power on this virtual machine after creation. If you click on power on this virtual machine, it automatically starts the installation of RHEL 9.4. At present, don't select it and click on finish. See, new virtual machine added in the list. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on select the virtual machine from the list and click on the edit virtual machine, or right click and select the settings, or VM and select settings. All three are same. Now click on power on this virtual machine to start the installation of RHEL 9 and VMware Workstation. So click on it. Select the language and click on continue. See here, the begin installation has been grayed out. Why? Because the items with red color must be selected. Otherwise, you won't be able to click on this begin installation. Software selection. See, it has selected server with GUI. If you want to select server only, you have to select this one. Minimal install, select this one. Workstation, you have to select only this one. Okay, I'm going with server with GUI. We can select these additional softwares also. Okay. I'm not going to select any one of them as of now, so click on done. Installation destination, I'm okay with the default one, so click on done. Next we have to provide the root password, so click on root password, provide the password. If you want to log root your account, you have to select this one. I don't want, so click on done. See, now we are able to click on begin installation. If you want to create user, click on user creation. See, this is the full name and this is the username. Provide password. If you want to make this user as administrator, select make this user administrator. Then click on done. Again done, because see, it is saying weak password. No need to worry. Click on done. Click on begin installation to start the installation of RHEL 9.4 on VMware Workstation. So click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This may take time. I am pausing this video until we receive the restart system. See, installation has been completed. So click on reboot system. Also notice here, if you right click on it, see, reinstall VMware tools, which means VMware tools already installed. No need to install. Okay. Click on username and provide the password. No thanks. If you want to register, you have to click on register. Click on activities. Then click on terminal. Verify version of this RHEL. So give the command more /etc os-release. See, we have installed RHEL 9.4. If you want to verify the IP of this machine, give if config. See, this is the IP of this machine. Okay, we can use this machine to connect this virtual machine from OT or MobileXTOM. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install RHEL 9.4 on VMware Workstation. For more Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.